Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, customer stated the suspension in the rear was damaged. Please check and advise. Well, we know that the rear beam was damaged, being held up by a tow strap of some sort or a ratchet strap. So they supplied us with a used rear dead axle. Well, this is everything that I had to take off that rear axle that was not reusable. The drums, well, they weren't moving. So when we got them off, you could see how they look. Used one looks like it came out of a flood vehicle. Looks like the rear end was well underwater for a long time. The shoes, look at that. Bugats. This one completely and utterly delaminated. Well, what about the wheel bearing, you might ask? Well, I don't know if you could hear it. That wheel bearing's no good. Go to this side. You could hear it. No good. Parking brake cables, well, you know, it came out of a junkyard, so they cut them. The brake lines, they cut them. Wheel cylinders, they move, but out of everything here, we're not going to reuse those. No way. We can't reuse anything. Even the backing plates, the hardware pulled through the hole. Giggity. It's never a good thing when it pulls through. Completely corroded. Would I reuse any of this? No way. Now, let's get to the actual rear beam. We had to do some needle scaling, and I had to channel my inner Bob Ross, and we could see I gave it the good old Rust-Oleum treatment, or I should say the Krylon treatment. Yeah, there's only one coat. I did give it a sand, and these are not fish eyes. These are actually corrosion spots. We sanded it, we needle scaled it, and this is all we could do. Yep, missed a spot. Now here's the underside. Looks a little better. Still got to give it some more Krylon, some more Rust-Oleum. Could be a whole lot worse. Could be like the one we have on the vehicle. They like to break here. They like to break here. That's really it, though. The spring perches I haven't seen break off. I've seen a number of these break here. Most of them break here, mainly on the passenger side, and you guys know why. It's the gutter side. So we'll give it another coat. Let that dry. We'll probably give it another coat. We're going to definitely scuff the paint off this surface here. We already tapped our threads. They're nice and clean. So we just got to wait for new parts to come in. All that crap right there is going to be new. We're going to put it back together, and hopefully the vehicle will be alright. This part might outlast the vehicle. Don't know. At this point, I just want to put it together and get it out of my life and have the customer on their way nice and happy. Alright guys, if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further corrosion.